Liza Soberano, new update post, ayon sa caption ng pinakamabait na Ate Hopi. Rian Soberano, dumped since this day, was completely dedicated to doing everything she wanted. Waiting in line for her favorite ride in the park. She is currently obsessed with all things Sanrio. I told her she could drive her, and her response was, "But I don't have a license for this vehicle." This is her favorite ride. This is also her favorite ride. Why? Because it's a Puss and Boots ride. Puss and Boots is a cat, and Rian likes cats. Rian, let's put our head inside. Rian said, no pay. This is our fave photo we took. Vending machine cotton candy. I love Shrek, so this is for me. Sobrang spoiled ni Rian sa Ate Hopi niya. Ang sarap maging ate at kapatid ang isang Liza Soberano. Ayon sa komento ng fan, best ate ever. God bless more Hopi. Ang isang fan, napansin agad si Enrique Hill. Ang bilis ni Kay nito mag-like. You're a very loving ate, not only to Rian but to all of your siblings. God will bless you more because of that. Bait talaga ni Ate Liza, di ba Rian? Mahal na mahal ka niya. Pati din si Kuya Enrique mo. Kaya tama lang ang sinabi ni Ken, kung sana nakikita at nakikilala nyo ng lubusan si Hopi. Siya ay napakabusilak ng puso. Kaya siya minamahal ni Enrique.